Welcome to Trips on a Tankful, where we take you to destinations close to major cities that you can visit on a tank of gas.
We're Howard and Caitlin Newstate of the New State Nomads, and whether you're traveling from Los Angeles or San Diego, Temecula is a wine lover's paradise with beautiful rolling hills, a unique downtown area, lots of great shopping,
and only a single fill-up to get you there. Situated in the lush countryside about 90 miles south of Los Angeles and 60 miles north of San Diego, Temecula quickly became an award-winning wine region. There is a lot more to see and do here outside of wineries, and we'll have several other recommendations later in the video, so make sure you stick around. But for our fellow wine lovers, with close to 50 wineries dotting the hillsides, chances are you'll find a varietal or blend that you love, whether you're into dry reds, sweet whites, or something in between. The first commercial winery opened here in the 1960s, and in 1984, Temecula became designated as an American viticultural area, recognizing it as a major grape-growing region of the U.S. There are so many different winery experiences you can have here in Temecula, and we definitely recommend researching to find what suits your tastes, but we're going to share 3 of our top spots. First up, the award-winning Avensole. The setting is beautiful and the wines are great. They have 16 acres of estate vineyards, and you can do a tasting or get a flight and sit out on their covered patio by the pond. We've visited twice and highly recommend a stop here. We are at one of our all-time favorite wineries here in Temecula, Peltzer Winery.
which is kind of famous for all the special events that they do. Like right now, they have an ice skating rink. Sometimes of the year they have a pumpkin
Like a
patch.
huge pumpkin patch, and it's family friendly like certain days out of the week, and they have delicious wine in a beautiful setting. The tasting room decor reflects the Peltzer family's rich farming history, while tying in modern elements, giving it a super fun and inviting feel. Head to the bar for a tasting or a glass of wine and stroll through the beautiful property. We've been to a lot of wineries in our travels, and Peltzer is still near the very top of the list. And our third recommendation is a showstopper. Cellars has the wow factor and incredible views of the mountains and vineyards below. Their on-site restaurant and the decor leans heavily on the owner's Persian Mediterranean roots. They have over 20 varietals of boutique wines, and some of our favorites are from their Chaos series, with super fun names like Disorder, Ruckus, and Mayhem. If you're into earthy, dry reds like Cab Franc or Grenache, you're in for a treat. Since we travel by RV, one of our favorite places to stay is the RV resort at Pechanga Casino. The location is excellent, the grounds are beautiful, and they have an awesome pool and hot tub. There are plenty of other places to stay in the area too. Some wineries even offer accommodations, and there are hotels dotted throughout the area. One place you must visit on your trip is Old Town Temecula. Many of the buildings have been preserved to maintain their Western-themed facades, and there are so many wonderful specialty shops and restaurants. You could spend an entire afternoon strolling the streets. All right, we stopped for a little coffee while we stroll around, and I got a honey lavender latte, and it is as delicious as it is beautiful. For a super unique and delicious experience, another must-visit shop in Old Town is the Temecula Olive Oil Company.
Let me just tell you, that is an experience.
They offer free tastings, and we got to try a bunch of different olive oils and some of their balsamic vinaigrettes, and they were incredible. One that I thought was really cool was the blood orange olive oil. Like, they're putting whole blood oranges into the blood orange olive oil, like to press it with the olives. And so the rind, and like, you're really getting all of the essence of the actual orange in there.
A lot of places will drip in certain things into it. What they do instead is they actually crush whatever the ingredient is with the olives, so it's literally in the press. Yep. So it should come as no surprise, we bought some. We had to get some.
As we mentioned, there are so many great dining options in town, it's hard to choose. We were in the mood for a quick bite and headed down the street to Nana's Tamales. Michelle Anna, also known as Chef Nana, is famous for her tamales and tacos. They are made fresh every day and were absolutely delicious. All right, Howard found a spot that combines like 2 of my all-time favorite things, rescue animals and chocolate. That's right, it is the Sugar Plum Petting Zoo, and we got some feed here, and we're gonna go say hi to all the animals and then sample some delicious chocolate. The Sugar Plum Zoo is the self-proclaimed world's first petting zoo and chocolate shop. The owner, Lainey Rager, opened the chocolate shop after competing on MasterChef, showcasing her chocolatier expertise. She then opened Hug-a-Duck Therapy Zoo, which was geared towards children with special needs. Over time, the zoo expanded and is now the home to dozens of rescue animals, like Zeus the camel and Aurora the zebra. You can visit with all the animals and even enter some of their enclosures. Afterwards, make sure you pop into the shop for your chocolate sample. All right, we got our truffle sample. Don't worry, I thoroughly washed my hands after all my animal loving. Oh wow. It just melts in your mouth. It's so good. You can find all these great shops, restaurants, and activities on Roadtrippers to plan your own Temecula getaway. And for more trips on a Tankful with Roadtrippers and the New State Nomads, check out the playlist below. Thanks so much for watching.